Our design engineer, Clint Brown, is busy entering a comment into his latest version of his file in Vault, asking his manager to approve the latest version, and is syncing the data up to the cloud. His manager, Chris Turner, receives an email and goes into an approval workflow, and in this instance he's going to reject the design because he's worried about the finish of one of the components. You'll see that the comments from Vault, as well as the engineering manager's comments, are all captured and kept in the workflow history. This information is also synced back to Vault. The state of the file is automatically set to work in progress, and we can see that the data has come back with a comment about the finish. Our intrepid designer understands that the finish is correct, so he replies and sends the design back, stating that the information supplied is correct and that he's happy that all of the specifications meet the customer requirements. This information is then pushed back, and a manager again receives an email and goes into the workflow, can see the user's latest comment, and in this instance can now approve this stage gate and send it through for the manufacturing manager to have a look at. So he enters his comment, hits save, and his latest comments are saved to the workflow history. Our manufacturing manager, Mike Manager, will now receive a notification. Mike Manager is going to log in via his web client. He's able to see all of the information that's been pushed through from Vault and can see all of the affected components. In this instance, he can go and have a look at a specific component, and he can even go and have a look at visualization files that have been pulled through from the Vault. You'll see a little thumbnail pop up, and clicking on that thumbnail launches a viewer. We're now able to review this model in 3D without any specialist software. This is all being done in a web browser. From here, our manufacturing manager can now go to the approval workflow and can go and decide whether or not he wants to approve or reject this latest iteration of the design. He's setting the design to an approved state, and this is going to release the file inside of the Vault. All of our design history is captured in the workflow history, and the same information that's just been put into the design by our manager is visible inside of the Vault on the released file.